Hello, everyone. If you're a teacher, school administrator, trainer, business owner, or anyone who regularly collects information through forms, choosing the right form builder can save you a lot of time. Today, we're taking a hands on look at forms.app, a modern form builder that focuses on collaboration, automation, and ease of use. We'll explore how to create forms using AI, customize layouts, collaborate with team members, collect responses, analyze results, and finally see whether it's worth using in 2026. The first thing I noticed after logging into forms.app is its clean workspace layout. Everything is organized into folders and workspaces, which makes managing multiple projects much easier. One of the biggest advantages here is team collaboration. Many popular form builders restrict collaboration features to paid plans. With forms.app, teams can collaborate even on the free plan. You can invite teammates, organize projects, and manage permissions so different members have different levels of access. For educational institutions, this means teachers, administrators, and support staff can work together without needing separate premium subscriptions. Creating forms is where forms.app becomes particularly interesting. You can start completely from scratch, choose from thousands of ready-made templates, or generate forms using AI. For busy educators and professionals, the AI generator can significantly reduce setup time. Let's create a simple student feedback form. As you can see, the AI automatically generates relevant questions and structures the form in seconds. If you prefer templates, forms.app offers over 5,000 ready-made templates covering education, registration, surveys, feedback collection, event management, and much more. Once the form is created, editing is straightforward thanks to the drag and drop builder. Questions can be rearranged easily without any coding experience. One feature I really like is the ability to switch between traditional and conversational layouts. The standard list view works well for detailed forms, while the conversational step view presents one question at a time, creating a more engaging experience. This can be particularly useful for students and survey participants because it feels more interactive and often improves completion rates. Once your form is ready, sharing it is simple. You can distribute forms through direct links, embed them on websites, or integrate them into your workflow. What's impressive is that many advanced workflow features are available without requiring expensive upgrades. Features such as conditional logic, answer piping, digital signatures, payment collection, and spam protection are all built into the platform. Collecting responses is only half the job. Understanding the data is where forms.app provides additional value. The platform includes an inbox-style response manager along with visual analytics and reporting tools. One particularly useful feature is drop-off analysis. Instead of simply seeing completed responses, you can identify where users stopped filling out the form. This insight can help educators and organizations improve form completion rates. Another useful capability is partial response tracking, allowing you to recover valuable information even when submissions aren't fully completed. Let's quickly talk about pricing. The free plan is surprisingly generous, offering unlimited responses, unlimited team seats, historical analytics, and access to advanced features that are often restricted on competing platforms. For users who need additional capabilities, paid plans are available, but many educators and small teams may find the free plan sufficient for everyday use. So, is forms.app worth using in 2026? After testing the platform, I think its biggest strengths are unlimited responses, free team collaboration, AI-powered form creation, advanced analytics, and an easy-to-use interface. For educators, schools, training organizations, and collaborative teams, it offers a compelling combination of simplicity and powerful features. If you're currently searching for a modern form builder, forms.app is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite form building feature in the comments below.